What's cooking good looking? This video is part of a video series called 5 Men Fridays, where 5 Singaporean peer mixers do a solve each to form an average, going through their solutions in the process. I'm not actually in this episode, but I was asked to edit and post this week's average, so I hope you still enjoy.
So this was the scramble and I got a 1.75. So I realized I could do yellow like this into a layer, but it was a lot of moves. So I noticed red and realized I could do a 4 move V into L3E with a tier in the front. So I did is simultaneously do this and then solve the V into L3E case like this. I think I could have done an alternate solution, which is to do the exact same thing, but do this instead of this, cause I actually don't know, like it's just.
So I scrambled it in the wrong orientation. I scrambled it with red at the bottom. When I at the wrong orientation, at this orientation I scrambled it, it was yellow V. I'll just show you, I'll walk through it on the correct scramble. So it's just like this. Yeah. On the correct scramble orientation, it will be blue. Right, yeah, here. So I do edit tips. So I put this here, like this. So you make this block. U prime sets up this to get ready to be paired into this while solving this like this. So this solves and then you get that. Then you can do an L. So I also want to look, basically you do a U. So when you're solving the V, you do a U, right? So then this block will come here. And then when you do a L, it hides this one, this piece. So it hides there. The yellow becomes like a bar, short bar here. And then when you put it back, it becomes a long bar. So, and the blue piece becomes here. So you can predict it'll be this case quite easily. So, red, solve the yellow, and then
so I did my V on blue because I saw that there was a rotationless solution. It's quite a good solution in my opinion because like you don't need to rotate, it's just inserts. And I didn't want to do anything fancy because I'm not a pyramid, so I just did a tip here at the back, insert here, and then I just paused for a bit and then checked what it was. Then I put it here because I do intuitive, and as I was doing that I realized that it formed this, so I knew it was this L3E and no AF.
Okay, so that solve was a 358. It was a pretty bad solve because I locked up a lot when I was solving the V, so could have been like a sub 3, but it's fine. So what I done is the green V. So hold it over here. If you do a L, you can make this block over here, and then I know if you do a U prime, make this other block, and you can just insert the sensor in like that, and then put this down, and then you get a really good L4E that I messed up. So I think that's what I did, but I locked up while doing the V. Another solution I saw, which I think is really bad, is you do tips, do a U, you can insert this for inserting this like that, and it gives you this case, which is like kind of mid. Last solution I saw was this. So I'm just gonna ignore this block and focus on these two pieces. So I know if I do a L, a U, I make like this block, and like if I do a R prime, it'll form this block over here, and then you get this really mid L4E, but I know a ML4E for it, so it's like, yeah, it just gives AUF, but I didn't want to look, so
So I got a 2.93. So there was no really good solution except yellow, so I did tips at the start. And I know that if I just slash this insert this center, this blue yellow edge will go here. So I can just do a 3-move insert to insert this. Then I can rotate, see this, alpha E case.
So that's all for today's episode. Do check out everyone who was mentioned in this video. They are all amazing at what they do, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye.